Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is a box you can use for cutting boards and cutters. This is an oil brush you can use for food. This is a frying pan you can use for making an omelette. This is a small blender you can use for making juice, different types of juice. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a brush you can use for your body. It's really soft and comfortable. This is a scale you can use at home. This is a beautiful lamp you can use as a charger. This is another apartment. We'll see the tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unpack the delivery. This is a folding cleaner you can use for the floor. This is another one. You can use this one for the corners. It's really convenient. This is a shelf you can use in the kitchen. These are cups you can use for spices. This is a tool you can use for compressing these small plastic bags. It's really helpful. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is a small grinder you can use for grinding garlic. These are egg holders you can use for eggs. It's really cool. This is a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen. This is a shelf you can use for organizing the dishes. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. It's really cool. This is a small juicer. This is a small box you can use for cutlery and chopsticks. This is another dispenser you can use for storing cereals or rice. This is an ice cube mold. This is a rack you can use for sandals in the bathroom. This is a wire brush you can use for the dishes. This is an electric cleaner you can use for cleaning carpets, and you can also use it for your bed. We've got this one you can use for your cutlery. This is another juicer. This is a hanger you can use for organizing your clothes in the closet. This is another juicer you can use for orange juice. This is a small shelf you can use for dispensers. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. This is a shelf you can use for your electric appliances. This is a tool you can use for sharpening cutters. This is a mixing cup. This is an electric brush. We've got this one you can use for organizing your shoes. It's an electric tool you can use for your neck to have massage. This is another apartment. This is the package. This is a beautiful shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. This is another one you can use for your shoes. We've got this one you can use for your umbrellas. We've got this small box you can use for dry fruits. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet. It's really helpful. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.